The television courtroom had never witnessed a moment quite like this. Judge Judy, America's most formidable television judge, sat frozen at her bench, her pen suspended in midair as if time itself had stopped. The woman standing before her, Linda Morrison, a 52-year-old nonprofit director dressed in an understated navy suit, had just asked 5 simple words that shattered the professional composure Judge Judy had maintained for over 2 decades on national television. "Don't you remember me?" The question hung in the air like smoke after an explosion. And for the first time in 25 years of presiding over her courtroom, Judge Judy's face drained of color. Not the slight paleness that comes from surprise, but the kind of complete loss of blood that signals something fundamental has shifted in someone's world. The cameras captured every second of this transformation, and what happened next would become the most emotionally devastating courtroom moment in television history, shared over 47 million times, and sparking a national conversation about justice, regret, and whether the decisions we make in the name of the law can ever truly be undone. This wasn't your typical Judge Judy case. There was no entitled Karen demanding to speak to managers. There was no fraudulent landlord caught in lies. There was no deadbeat parent trying to dodge responsibility. This was something far more profound and infinitely more uncomfortable to witness. This was a woman from Judge Judy's past, from her 25 years as a family court judge in Manhattan, coming back with a message that would force America's toughest judge to confront a decision she made 3 decades ago. A decision that by all legal standards was correct and defensible. A decision that by all human measures had destroyed 2 lives completely. What makes this story absolutely insane isn't just the confrontation itself. It's what this moment revealed about the impossible choices judges face every day in family court. It's what happened to the little girl caught in the middle of that 1993 custody case. And it's what Judge Judy did after this episode aired that proved even the strongest authority figures can grow, change, and admit when the law failed to serve justice. Before we show you the exact moment when Judge Judy realized who was standing in her courtroom, before we reveal the connection between these 2 women that spans 3 decades of pain and transformation, you need to hit that like button right now if you're ready to see the most shocking moment in Judge Judy history. This isn't about an entitled person getting destroyed by legal expertise. This isn't about someone getting what they deserve after years of terrible behavior. This is about 2 women on opposite sides of a family court decision who never expected to see each other again, and what happens when the past demands to be acknowledged.
Generate by AI.